In this video, we are going to install a new genuine Hirschmann 03 mast to a 6000 EL F400 power antenna that originally used the 04 mast. The reason for this is that the 04 mast is no longer manufactured. The only option for a 04 specification mast now is a low quality Chinese copy. On first inspection of the 03 mast, when aligned accurately with the 04 type power antenna, you will notice that the nylon cord is in fact too long. This is a minor side effect and is easily rectified. The important part is that the rest is practically identical to the 04 mast and is a genuine Hirschmann product that will not fall apart and damage my new paint job. The general consensus for this model power antenna is that 8 centimeters of nylon cord needs to be removed when fitting a 03 mast to replace the original 04. I measured and made a clean cut with good quality side cutters used for electronics work. It is now the standard procedure of installing the new mast. The default behaviour of the power antenna is to retract when initially powered on. This makes installation very easy as all you need to do is provide power to the mast. The third pin, when provided with plus 12, is only used to extend the mast. When plus 12 is disconnected, the mast retracts. I tighten the nut down off camera using a protective sheet to prevent scratching.